While it's important to note that no vitamin supplement can replace a healthy diet and lifestyle for weight loss, certain vitamins and minerals play roles in metabolism and overall health. It's crucial to get these nutrients from a balanced diet rather than relying solely on supplements. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Here are 5 vitamins and minerals that are often associated with weight management. Vitamin D. Some studies suggest that vitamin D deficiency may be linked to obesity. Adequate vitamin D levels are essential for overall health, and spending time in the sun can help your body produce it naturally. Vitamin B complex. B vitamins, including B6, B12, and folate, play a role in energy metabolism. They help convert food into energy and assist in the metabolism of fats and proteins. Calcium. Calcium is involved in various metabolic processes, and some research suggests that adequate calcium intake may promote weight loss. Dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified plant-based milk are good dietary sources. Iron. Iron is vital for transporting oxygen in the blood, and a deficiency can lead to fatigue and reduced physical activity. Ensure you get enough iron through a balanced diet, as low iron levels may hinder weight loss efforts. Omega-3 fatty acids. While not a vitamin, omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA found in fish oil, may have benefits for weight management. They can help regulate appetite, reduce inflammation, and improve insulin sensitivity. Remember, a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods is the foundation for good health and can support weight management. It's essential to adopt sustainable lifestyle changes, including regular physical activity, for effective and long-term weight loss. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to click the like button and press the subscribe button. Also, be sure to check out the vitamin supplements below at the bottom of this video. Thanks again, and until next time, have a good one.